Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to change leverage on IC markets in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing we need to do is, of course, we need to log in our accounts. And yeah, so here we have live accounts. We also have a demo account, so probably we're using a demo account right now. So in order for us to change our leverage here on this platform, if we have an existing account here, if you click this one, so there's no options here that you can delete this one or edit our leverage. So what we're gonna do is just to create a new demo account. So you can choose what platform we're going to use, account type, the currency, and also this one. So you can choose, or you can what leverage you wanted to. So it's up to you guys, and the initial deposits. So just if you're done selecting this and filling this up, okay, so you can click the proceed button. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope that you learn and you enjoy, because in this tutorial, that is the only way on editing or changing the leverage on IC markets global. Okay, so thank you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in IC markets global website. Thank you.